The idea just popped up one sunny afternoon. Let's have a family cooking challenge. How much fun would that be? You know it. We all absolutely love food in our house. This was going to be an epic day. Mom suggested it, of course. She's brilliant. She adores family time and delicious eats. This was truly her best idea in ages. Planning the whole thing was a total blast. Everyone in the family buzzed with pure excitement. What amazing dishes would we all try to make? Secret recipes were already being whispered around. We picked a Saturday for the big event. That gave us plenty of time to prepare our plans. Or for some of us, a little time to panic. Just kidding, mostly. It was all friendly competition. We decided we needed a cool theme for our cook-off. Family favorites reimagined. Ooh, that sounded tricky. This meant we had to put new, exciting twists on old classics. No plain old spaghetti and meatballs allowed here. No way. We wanted pizzazz, we wanted sparkle. Maybe even a little bit of culinary magic if we could. The challenge was officially, totally on. Our kitchen was about to become the main stage. The anticipation in the house was sky high. It felt like waiting for a big holiday to arrive. Everyone was constantly thinking about their dishes, dreaming of their show-stopping, winning creation. Grocery lists were secretly being jotted down. Practice sessions in the kitchen, maybe just a few. The air crackled with a delicious, fun tension. It was definitely going to be a day to remember. The big, exciting day finally arrived. Kitchen stations were quickly set up around the room. Well, sort of. It was more like organized chaos, which is truly the very best kind, am I right? Everyone got their own little counter space to work on, or at least they tried to claim some. Sharing is caring, especially important when sharp knives are involved in cooking. Safety first, then all the yum-yums come second. Dad was officially declared our head griller for the day. That's his usual domain, out by the barbecue. Burgers, sausages, steaks, he can grill anything, you name it. Today, though, he was trying something totally new. A little bit outside his usual grilling comfort zone. He looked a tiny bit nervous, I won't lie, but also very, very determined to do well. He even hummed his special little cooking song. Mom was, as always, the reigning pasta queen. Her homemade lasagna is completely legendary in our family. But remember the theme? Family favorites reimagined? So she was busy plotting something different. Something with fresh herbs from her garden, maybe? She had that familiar twinkle in her eye. The one that says, this is gonna be so good. We all trusted Mom's amazing kitchen magic, always. My brother Leo was put on dessert duty. He definitely has a major sweet tooth, that one. And he really has a natural knack for baking things. My little sister Mia was appointed chief taster, and she was also our expert garnish consultant. Her job was very, very important, you see. She took it all incredibly seriously, with her tiny chef hat perched on her head. So cute. And just like that, we were off. Let the cooking begin. The kitchen instantly became a whirlwind of activity. Sizzling sounds from pans filled the entire air. Pots and pans clattered. Timers started beeping loudly. Everyone was completely focused on their tasks. Chopping vegetables, stirring sauces, mixing ingredients. Like a swarm of busy bees in a delicious hive. The amazing smells started to mix together. Oh, heavenly. My stomach rumbled with happy anticipation. Dad decided to make spicy grilled chicken skewers. He served them with a fresh, tangy mango salsa. Yum! Mom whipped up a deconstructed pesto pasta salad. It looked so creative and colorful on the plate. Leo, our baker, made adorable mini chocolate lava cakes. Little chocolate volcanoes ready to erupt. I was excited. I tried my hand at making some gourmet sliders. Mini burgers packed with big, bold flavor. A feast. Funny moments? Oh, there were plenty of those. Leo almost used salt instead of sugar in his cakes. Disaster was averted just in the nick of time. Phew. Mia helped us by taste testing absolutely everything. A little too enthusiastically, if you ask me. She ended up with chocolate smudged on her nose and a little bit of pesto sauce on her chin. A delicious, adorable mess. That little one always is. I nearly forgot to add my secret ingredient, the one for my special gourmet sliders. A fantastic smoky paprika I love so much. Found it just in time. Crisis avoided there. Mom accidentally set off the smoke alarm. Oops, just for a second. It wasn't a big fire. We all fanned it madly with kitchen towels, adding to the overall kitchen drama. It was wild, but so much fun. Finally, all the cooking time was officially over. We presented our finished dishes with great flair, like we were on a real TV food show. Everything looked absolutely amazing and so delicious. So colorful and wonderfully plated. So much effort went in. We all pretty much felt like winners already. Just look at that incredible spread of food. Dad beamed with pride, and Mom did too. We all definitely learned something new that day. Dad completely nailed his spicy mango salsa. Yes, he was so incredibly proud of how it turned out. Mom really loved her modern, deconstructed pasta twist. Leo learned that checking ingredient labels is super key. I got a little bit better at not burning things. Progress. Mia learned that too much tasting leads to a tummy ache. But it was a very happy tummy ache, she said. Then, of course, came the very best part. Eating all of the food we had just made. Everything was so incredibly delicious. Seriously good stuff. We passed all the plates around the big table. Everyone tried a little bit of everything. Sharing is caring. Compliments started flying across the dining table. This is amazing. You have to give me this recipe. The food tasted even better because we made it together. So, who was the real master chef of the day? The answer is easy. Everyone was. The whole family. The challenge wasn't really about winning at all. It was about cooking together as a family, laughing together, and making wonderful memories. Our big kitchen adventure definitely brought us closer. It was so much more than just preparing a meal. It was family. And that's the very best recipe of all. Delish.